Recently, the Scottie Chefs went to Walt Disney World to compete in the Cook Around the World competition. We talked to some of these students about this accomplishment. I'm here with
Grayson Flat.
Ava Tao.
Janessa.
Lena Harlow.
Kaylee Appleby.
Lainey Young.
And can y'all tell us about your experience at Walt Disney World?
So we went to Disney for the Cook Around the World cooking competition, and we went into it not really knowing what we were doing or what we were going to cook, because it was kind of like Chopped. You get a box of mystery ingredients and you have to make something from it. And so we had to use a vegetable, a starch, and a protein. So ours was shrimp, bok choy, and noodles. So we made Asian shrimp bok choy boats with vegetable stir-fried noodles as our dish, and that's what we presented for judging. So
It was really fun. It was really scary, but it was definitely worth like the memories, and it was very stressful. But it was crazy that we won, though.
It was a very cool experience getting to go all the way down to Disney and just cook and see all those people and compete against all of those like amazing other competitors.
Really, it was just a good time to like bond with the culinary team overall. The competition was obviously fun, but we also had a fun time like just going to Disney World.
It was pretty fun, honestly. It was a lot of fun, and winning the competition was kind of a big deal to us. It was cool.
It was really fun, really exciting, very new. A great opportunity, really.
Did you face any challenges when you were there?
Yes. Well, when you go to the Cook Around the World competition, you are given this basket of random ingredients, and you have to use at least 3 of them. And we had never heard of or used some of them. And we decided to use bok choy, which none of us had ever worked with bok choy before. We didn't know how to cook it. And we just had to figure that out within our allotted time.
So y'all worked with a famous chef from Food Network. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
so we worked with Amanda Freitag. We got to meet her. She came around while we were cooking, and then she was one of the judges as well for the competition.
It was really cool. Me and my mom used to grow up watching Chopped, so it was really cool to like meet somebody who had been on there. And she was really nice too. She was just a really cool person.
That was honestly pretty cool. Like, I don't know. And she kind of gave us a special shout out because we were all wearing braids during the competition. So she gave us like a special shout out and like took a picture with us and all that. It was pretty cool.
It was really cool. She actually liked us a lot. She called us Team Braids because when she was at Chopped or something, she was like working with other people and they all had braids, so she liked us.
Yes, I did. It was awesome. It was really humbling, I guess, being with her.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Sure.